Welcome to all. In this quiz, we will learn about the pioneers who coined the term biotechnology, genetics, and we will see the pioneers in plant tissue culture. Quiz questions. The first question is, who coined the term biotechnology? Option A, Carl Ehrlich. Option B, Haberland. Option C, T.H. Morgan. And option D, E.A. Ball. The answer is option A, Carl Ehrlich. The Hungarian scientist Ehrlich coined the term biotechnology when he published a book in Hungarian language. Its English translation is Biotechnology of Meat, Fat and Milk Production in Agriculture Large Scale Farm. He used to describe the technology of fattening the pigs with feeding farm grown beetroots, and he is also considered as father of modern biotechnology. The next question is, who is called father of genetics? The options are A, T.H. Morgan, B, Gregor Mendel, C, Haberland, D, E.A. Ball. And the answer is option B, Gregor Mendel. Gregor Mendel is known as father of modern genetics. He studied the variations among the plants between generation to generation, and he proposed two important genetics theory called law of segregation and law of independent assortment. He chose the Pisum sativum pea plant, and he studied 7 characters and how they are inherited from parents to offspring, and he proposed this theory and he proved everything with mathematical and statistical proof. So he is called as father of genetics. The next question is, agriculture was invented by human about option A 100 years ago, option B 1000 years ago, option C 10,000 years ago, and option D 100,000 years ago. The answer is option C 10,000 years ago. Around 8,500 before Christ, the agricultural revolution takes place by our ancestor peoples. During that time, they domesticated wheat and store it for their food purpose. So from there, the agriculture takes place. So 10,000 years was the right one. The next question is, who is called as father of micropropagation? Option A, T.H. Morgan. Option B, Carl Ehrlich. Option C, Haberland. And option D, E.A. Ball. The answer is option D, E.A. Ball. E.A. Ball showed the development of full plantlets from the shoot tip explant culture by tissue culture technique in Trophalum species. Since he proposed in an organized manner, he is considered as father of micropropagation. Next question, who is called father of plant tissue culture? Option A, T.H. Morgan. Option B, Haberland. Option C, Gregor Mendel. And option D, E.A. Ball. And the answer is option B, Haberland. In early 1900s, he published a paper on experiments on the culture of isolated plant cells, and he used NOPS solution made up of various mineral salt to grow the cells, and he proposed the concept of in vitro cell culture in 1900s, and he is considered as father of plant tissue culture. Next question is, who coined the term totipotency? A, T.H. Morgan. Option B, Haberland. Option C, Carl Ehrlich. And option D, E.A. Ball. The answer is Option A. T.H. Morgan. He proposed and coined the term totipotency to explain the ability of a single and individual plant cells to regenerate full plant. Next question is, who proposed the root and shoot polarity development of buds? Option A. Gothard. Option B. Knudsen. Option C. White. And option D. Voting. The answer is option C. Voting. Voting proposed individual cells have signals for specific root and another opposite part should be for future shoot, and it is called polarity of the plant cells to become future root and shoot, and he studied this mechanism in the Brassica species. Next question, name the scientist first attempted in vitro germination in orchid seeds. A. Gothard, option B. Knudsen, option C. White, and option D. Voting. The answer is option B. Knudsen. In 1920s, Knudsen attempted and successfully germinated various orchid seeds under in vitro condition by using aseptic technique. The next question is, who first cultured the explants in the solidified agar medium? Option A. Gothard, option B. Knudsen, option C. White, and option D. Voting. And the answer is option A. Gothard. Gothard cultured the explants. Explants means a small piece of plant used for plant tissue culture, and he cultured it in a nutrient medium that is solidified with agar, and he got healthy callus from such explants. So he got the credit of first used to prepare agar solidified medium. And the last question, who first indefinitely cultured tomato roots? So that is called root culture. Option A. Gothard, option B. Knudsen, option C. White, and option D. Voting. And the answer is option C. White. The scientist White in the year 1930s obtained indefinite survival of the cultures of tomato root explants, and he continuously subcultured to several generations in liquid medium. Subculturing means from one in vitro liquid culture the plant is taken out and subsequently cultured in fresh liquid culture medium. So White is the scientist first indefinitely cultured roots in tomato plants. Thank you.